This Murphy bed is the perfect solution to furnished condos, lofts, studios, guest rooms, and home offices. You can convert your office, training room, guest room, or even your living room into a guest room thanks to this space saver. When the bed is folded up, it's a large, beautiful cabinet with shaker-inspired trim and metal handles. To fold out the bed, you simply pull on the handle and flip the support leg down onto the floor. No heavy lifting or pulling is required thanks to the dual-piston system. The pistons are calibrated for the weight of the mattress to keep the bed open. For added convenience, you can even leave the bedding on the bed but not the pillows. Its frame must be attached firmly to the wall since our Murphy bed folds up vertically. The mattress is not included. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Note: for installation and to avoid the risk of injury, use only a professional or qualified person with knowledge of the wall structure. Studs and components. The bed may be attached to wood studs, metal studs, or masonry wall structures. Masonry requires the use of concrete screws not provided. Number 2. The collection brings multifunctionality to a single room. Number 3. The kit comprises a queen wall bed and a 25 NL Dequo storage unit. Number 4. The mechanism provides simplified assembly of the wall bed. Number 5. Increased comfort due to the Euroslat mattress support system. Number 6. A well-installed Murphy bed. A safe solution, securing the cabinet firmly to the wall is crucial. That is why we over-designed the anchoring system of our Murphy beds. In this way, the screws can support a much greater force than that exerted by the weight of the moving sleeping surface, and the cabinet remains firmly in place. Number 7. So convenient with its carefully chosen pistons. The lifting mechanism of our Murphy beds makes it easy to fold the bed up and down. As long as you remove the pillows, you can fold up the bed with its bedding in place. Making your bed has never been this easy. Number 8. Comfortable. The Euroslat mattress foundation of our Murphy beds increases the sleeper's comfort. In addition, our Murphy beds are designed to use a standard mattress that you can even buy from the manufacturer of your choice. All you have to do is make sure that the mattress meets our requirements, particularly in terms of weight and thickness, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.